So at the end of this video, you're going to realize that creating a YouTube channel is going to be a game changer for you. So I'm going to talk about how much I earn on my YouTube video, which has about 50,000 YouTube views on my YouTube channel. So don't go anywhere because this video is going to blow your mind. So from my YouTube channel, you can see this video has about 106.5 thousand video views, but the estimated revenue over here doesn't match with this number of views. What I mean here is that I didn't start generating revenue on the first day I uploaded this video, meaning when I uploaded this video I was not monetized, my channel was not monetized, so the revenue didn't start counting from the first day I uploaded this video. So I uploaded this video on the 7th of February and I got monetized on the 25th of July. So you can see that is my first revenue. That was on Monday, 25th of July 2022. So this is when the revenue started counting. So as I said earlier in this video, you realize how much I earn from the first day I started generating revenue on this YouTube video. So let's customize the duration to 25th. of July 2020. So you can see from my YouTube studio that the views I got, or the views that match or matches with this revenue over here, is just 51.9 thousand views. So this revenue here, that is $142, was generated from just this 50,000 views. That is pretty good because this video doesn't have a good RPM. Looking at the number of watch hours, that is 1.8, and also checking the RPM, my RPM for this video is 2.76. so this RPM is low. Yes, it's very low, and was able to generate this amount of income with just 51.9 thousand views. So I think this video has done really well. Yes, with 1.8 thousand watch hours. Yes, and the video is just a 5-minute video. As you can see from the cursor, the video is just a 5-minute video. So checking on the audience, you can see that most views came from the United States. That is from the top geographies. Most views came from the United States, followed by the Philippines, Nigeria, South Africa, and Zambia. So these are the top locations that my viewers came from. So per what you've seen so far, I think you're also thinking about or planning to create a new YouTube channel and start from scratch to the top. Now on this journey, it's not going to be an easy journey, and also when you start, you won't be paid immediately. So you will work for free on YouTube for some particular period of time until you meet the requirements to apply for the YouTube Partner Program. So on this note, I wish you all the best in creating your YouTube channel as well. There are a variety of topics or contents niches you can create videos on. Just go to Google and search about your niche and get to know more about the niche and create good videos on them. So I wish you all the best in this journey and have a nice day. My name is Dedicated once again, and this is Dedicated. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on post notification as well, so you'll be notified anytime I upload videos on this channel. So catch you up in my next upload.